In today's video, I'll show you how to make these incredibly crispy potatoes with a golden crust and an amazing crunch. First, lightly grease your air fryer basket with vegetable oil. Take one potato, peel it, and slice it into thin strips, just like I show in the video. Place the potatoes into a bowl and cover them with cold water. Let them soak for 5 to 6 minutes. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and salt to taste. Mix everything very well. Now drain the potatoes and pat them completely dry with a towel. Sprinkle the seasoning mixture over the potatoes and mix everything thoroughly until every piece is evenly coated. Transfer the potatoes into the air fryer basket and spread them out evenly. Cook at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. And just like that, your crispy potatoes are ready. Transfer them onto a plate. Just look at these potatoes, golden, crispy, and absolutely delicious. Listen to that crunch, perfectly crispy on the outside and full of flavor in every bite. Bon appétit and enjoy.